Alright, you guys, today we're going to be trying to make cups out of glass bottles. So what I have here is a root beer bottle. You can do it with wine bottles or any other glass bottles you can find as well. And I have a glass scoring tool here. I'm just going to pick where I want it on the line, and I am going to try and hold it in place, applying constant pressure. There we go. And it's a little bit off, but hopefully it won't matter. So I just put 2x6, 2x6 with 2x4 on the side. I was going to try and use a screw, but I ended up getting this glass cutter. So I'll take it to the second step. It's boiling water. I'm going to go ahead and just put it on the crack there. Warming it up. Now I'm going to take it, bring it over here to the sink. Oh, so this one I did wrong, and it ended up cracking. You guys can see that. Ended up cracking down the center of it. I don't think you guys can see that. It's a fractured crack. But this is what they're supposed to turn out to look like. And then you can sand the edges and end up taking off the sticker, and you'll have a cool brown cup. You'll get better at it as you go. I kind of scored this one at an angle. You make something to mount the scoring on, so you can get a straight cut. As you can see, it's not very straight. And then you just finish it off with a 400 grit, and it should be safe to use, but use at your discretion. You could also use it for like vases or whatever. But yeah, thought it was something cool. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, go subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, because we make alright content around here. So thank you guys for watching.